Flackner. I'm a semi-professional wood turner, and I specialize in resin casting and really anything that has to do with resin or epoxies.
I'm Nick Cook. I'm a production wood turner from Marietta, Georgia, and I make things that people use.
I'm Alex Snodgrass, and I am bandsaw life. Have several patents and have helped with several inventions in the bandsaw industry.
We're in Laverne, Tennessee at the JPW Powermatic Training Center.
We've had 3 days of classes and have really had a whole lot of fun with almost 30 students.
I am teaching a class on resin casting, turning, how to handle epoxies, anything from casting over wood to deep pour epoxies to how to turn it on your lathe, finish it. So pretty much about 10 years of resin casting all came into one class for a group of people.
My class this week was basic wood turning. We did a couple of projects that are quick and easy. We did an upside down salt shaker that is a unique gift item that so far everybody that has had one has enjoyed having it. It's probably one of the best conversation pieces you can have on the dining room table. We also did a box with a loose fitting lid, and then we did a spinning top and a coffee scoop.
Teaching 3D cutting boards and bandsaw setup. I think everyone had a blast at this weekend. They not only had fun playing, cutting with the cutting boards and bandsaws, but all the different machinery that's set up here. It's hard to not be like a kid in a candy store playing with all this machinery.
Everyone was talking about how much they enjoyed their time here. Everyone got to learn new tricks of the trades. We had a bandsaw class going on as well as a turning class. At first, people never got to use resin, so they were a little on the fence of whether they liked it or not. After learning all the different techniques, now they're able to go out there and tackle jobs that they probably wouldn't be able to do or even think about before. So I know this opened up a whole different avenue for these people to actually try new things.
Some of them had not had any experience in wood turning, and it's sort of abrupt to dive right into something like this, but everybody enjoyed what they did. So we had people from all over and all different levels, but they all did very well.
This is great for anybody that wants to learn to turn, do resin, play with all the different equipment.
I highly recommend this class. I mean, this was a class where we brought together probably the best bandsaw artist, one of the best turners in the industry, and then myself. We brought us all together under one roof, and it was just nothing but 3 days of just putting just years and years of knowledge down into your brain.